Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Salman Alfarisi, number class 12 MIPA 4. My number absent 30. I will explain about the natural phenomena of earthquakes. The text is a text that contains the process of why and how natural occurrences, social, civic, structural, and others can occur. An event can be a natural event or a social event that occurs around us, always has causal relationship, and has a process. An event that occurs around us is not only for us to observe and feel, but also for us to find the point. We can study the incident, for example, in terms of why and how it happened. Sample text of earthquake aggression. There are several types of earthquakes. One of them volcanic. Volcanic eruptions are the result of magma activity that normally occurs before the volcanic eruption. Volcanic quakes cause in the Earth's surface, releasing magma from the magma chamber within the Earth. The number of tectonic quakes in the lake of 2019 will quakes with a magnitude less than 5.0 meters and 6.25 occur (11 to 129 times). The greater the magnitude, the more and more damage is done on the surface of the Earth. There are some Earths that have been experiencing pretty severe earthquakes in the course of 11 to 129. Among the area is Maluku, June 7, 11 to 129. Earthquake magnitude 7.0 meters. Banda 24 Juni 11 to 129. Earthquake magnitude 7.4 meters. Labuha Hal Mahera Song Juli 14 11 to 129. Earthquake magnitude 7.2 meters. And Maluku, November 14 11 to 129. Earthquake magnitude 7.1 meters. That's it all, and thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.